The only concern I have when we have demonstrations for whatever reason is that there are agitators who will go and try to cause trouble. What what demonstrator goes to a demonstration with Molotov cocktails that are not intending to cause trouble or to hurt people? Those are the people that we are worried about. And those are the people that we are watching out for. We have a good idea who they are. And I hope that they don't, tanggalin na ninyo sa isip ninyo yan. Manggugulo kayo, wala namang mangyayari, may masasaktan lang. Nasasaktan pa yung mga kasama ninyo kuminsan. Yung mga pulis, wala namang kinalaman yung pulis. They're just there to control the crowd. They're not there to hurt anyone. So that's the only thing I worry about. That's the only thing I worry about. Because we know the reasons for this. The reasons is the outrage for what we have been slowly or not so slowly discovering about some of these projects that were egregious in implementation and shameless in, I don't know what you want to call it, in dishonesty and abuse. So, of course they will, you know, of course that will be a cause for outrage. You know, those funds are supposed to go to people, to feed people, to make their lives better, and that all disappeared because they're buying airplanes and buying big mansions kung saan-saan. It's, you know, of course they'll be angry. Isipin mo, ang buhay nila ganyan, kami gutom. How can you be happy?